Good morning, you guys. Hello. So, welcome back. How you guys doing? Alrighty. So, you know, we in this Vlogmas thing and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna bring you along for this beautiful day. Let me open up these blinds here. Alright, I got some things to do. I need to get this living room back together. And I also want to hang my lights, my curtain lights. You guys may have remembered those last year in my home. So what I have to do, I couldn't find these when I went and hung these curtains up here. So I'm gonna have to take those curtains down and I'm gonna put a double rod and I'm gonna put the stream lights on that rod, and maybe the shears will be, I don't know, we'll see how that works out. But let me turn you around because this living room is so much chaos. Let me show you. So this is a whole disaster in here. So this is from me working on projects and all that over the weekend. Like, look, here is, I took my fireplace down and got some things recut because I made it taller. So I'll share that video with you guys, me taking it apart and showing you how to put it back together. Look at my beautiful, it is so gorgeous. I feel so rich, not about money or anything. It just looks so fancy and I love, love, love it. So I just need to go ahead and get it tidied up so it can be all nice and clean in here. So this is just more stuff. The candles I just shared with you yesterday. I need to get these put up. You know, I have lanterns and stuff. This is stuff, still tags and stuff that I have from Germany that I had last year. And then I was in the process of clearing my coffee table off. That's why this is up here, because I want to change that out. This rack I need to put up. So it's just, I need to just clean it up. It's after the weekend. So I just need to clean in here. So that's what we're going to be doing. Cleaning and hanging our, I'm going to hang the lights on this window. Since it's, this is the longest window. It has the 3. I'm going to hang them over here. I think it'll do better. Yeah. So you guys come along. So I'm gonna have to take those down. Hopefully I don't break that bulb. But you see, that's the, I wish I could figure out how to put it up there without having to take all these things down. But that's gonna be a task right there. Okay, so that's it. This is what we're doing. We're cleaning. I even took my little wreath down. I mean, not wreath, this little garland. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it back up there. I need to put the checkers game inside this case. So yeah, this is just real life, you guys. Like, let's do this. Let's clean. Look what just got dropped off. Let's see. Let's see. Look what just came in. You guys remember me saying that my stuff got mailed to Germany. It's only my canned good little that's funny. This is for the canned goods. So I will get that put in my pantry. Now I'm just still waiting on my shower curtains to show up.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Lights paint the skies, only you. in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
All right, you guys, so this is how much I've gotten accomplished. All of this stuff is wiped down. This carpet is vacuumed. At some point of the day, I'm gonna go ahead and load the router and all of that into this box because it's still just sitting behind there. So I'm gonna put it in there and kind of push the box back out of the way, and then I'm going to finish up my fireplace that I took apart and put it back together. So it's missing some of the pieces in the front. But everything else, I've already just dusted everything. Everything is clean. I want to figure out what I'm going to put on this wall in between. And I'm not quite sure if I'm going to keep this lady there. But I use that little table as a lamp. It helps at night. Like a floor lamp, but it's really a chandelier that I wired to have a stump foot. So I made it into, because this is actually supposed to hang from the ceiling. And then I want to hang this little acrylic snowflake somewhere. It has, oh, it's stuck. It's two. Okay, so this is how that looks. I want to find somewhere. I just have it sitting here until I can place it in a perfect little spot. But I'm either gonna put my, if you guys remember, in my last home I had 3 little picture frames there. I don't know if they'll be too small for the space. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me go get. Okay, so these are the 3 little frames that I had in my dining space in overseas. Okay, so let me take one of them so you can see. And I really didn't have any artwork at the time to put in there. That's why it's just these little, that's actually like peel and stick paper that I put in there. But let me see if y'all can see it. Alrighty, so here's the wall, and here is, see, I think that's too tiny. If I put those little 3 right here. I don't know if it's showing or not, but this is a pretty large in-between wall. So I'm not gonna put these there. I'll find somewhere else possibly to put these. Alrighty, I went on and brung this plant in here as well because I was gonna put it one out here and one in my kitchen, but I'll just go ahead and bring them both out here. I'm back, you guys. I was searching and then created a whole new mess to clean up after this. Could not find these lights, but now I have them. Let's hang them. And I'm gonna have to rig them because I just realized I don't have 2 long enough curtain rods. So I'm gonna have to figure something out really quickly. Okay, I'm over here using this microfiber and wiping down my windowsill and my baseboards. They are so dusty. So much dirt and dust over here. So that's what I'm doing right now. I did manage to get the lights up. I need to find a remote, but I'm happy that this particular, let me find it. This particular light, look, it has the gadget or whatever on it, and this is what was sent to me like last year. And it has 8 settings, and you could just push the little button on the back. If I can remember, I'll try to find a link and link them below. But they're just curtain lights off of Amazon. Look how magical that looks. So I'm gonna finish up everything in here, then I'll show you the end result. I'm gonna wind my clock up. And then you just make it swing like that. And that's a grandfather clock. I had, they got broke when we were moving, those little shelves. So now I only have 2 little shelves, and I found that I had 2. One is from the first time we lived in Germany, and then this is from the second time. So I have 2 Parises straight out of Paris. So, and then we have the little skeleton key to lock it. So, and then you can adjust it if you want it to strike. You can turn it off, and then it has 3. So sometimes y'all may hear that in the back of my, you may hear this clock in the background, but let me share with you, everything is clean. Nice clean wipe down. This thing wiped it down, took all this, oh, that thing's full of little icy things. Wiped all this down and just put it back the same way until I figure out what I'm gonna do. Y'all. On, let's go over here. The lights are up. This section looks so good without those little cages. The little dog cages was right there, but I moved them when I was dusting and getting the lights hung. I'm like, man, I wish I could find somewhere else to put those cages, but that's how it's looking right there. Look how good that looks without any dog cages. I forgot to share this scent with you guys. This one is Snow Mountain Lodge. First time trying it, really good. I'm just gonna put it in this little vase until I get everything decorated, because I left, let me share, I left every surface cleaned off because I'm about to go ahead and finish decorating here. I left this garland up there. That thing is so messy. I just left it. I could not keep moving it until I figure out where I'm going to place it. So, yeah. And then I need to get the dog cages moved. I have them sitting right over there, so I need to get them moved back in here. But here you go. It's so pretty. I don't want to keep messing with it. It's full of glitter. I done vacuumed and dusted. Yesterday, after Darnell got home, he had to do a urn or 2. So I went back to Home Goods and picked up this frame. This is the same one like in my kitchen. But I went on and picked that one up. And it was discounted because it's missing a glass. So I'll have to go back to Hobby Lobby and buy another piece of little glass in there, but it was 18 bucks. So I think it's a good size for that. Hopefully we'll get a family picture or something in there soon in the near future. Here are all of the pillows for now. I have some snowflake pillows that's upstairs. That's from Pier 1. I'm gonna bring it down and probably put it in the middle and take this middle one out. Or I might just, I don't know, we'll switch it up. But right now, like I just said, all of my surfaces are nice and clean. So this is just a blank canvas. Step back and share. Ooh, so cute. And I brung that, I made that little box really quick. I just glued some, let me show. I glued some 12-inch mirrors together just to give it some height so it can match this box over there. And that's what it is. So I brung that plan in, so now they're like framing this wall. How cute is that? Super cute. Super cute. Alrighty, thank you so very much for rocking out with me on Vlogmas day number 4. I know you guys are probably tired of cleaning the kitchen, but I did clean that. I stopped and cleaned that before I finished this room because I could not see my kitchen like that. So I got that cleaned up, and then I came back and finished. Got these lights hung. That was my real mission, is to get those hung. So now I can move on. You can see that nail up there, so I need to get up there and pull it down so you don't see it. But if I'm standing back, you don't see it so much, but it is pretty high, so I need to, that's how I put it up there. I wrapped the let me show you. I didn't put a cord, I didn't put the second rod, so I just put the rope over. You probably don't even see it, but it's back there hanging. And then I just went on and drilled a few nails, so you can't see the rope really. Is nails behind here, like only 4, and then I just got the lights hanging on there. And there you have it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye. Off to work you go.